In this video, I'm going to show you how to change eye color in Affinity. It's a really fun technique and the results look realistic. If you're looking for this, make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to easily switch to any color you like. Alright, let's get started. I've got the eye image here and the one I have is actually a dark brown eye. So to get a better result, I need to brighten it up a little first. Let me show you how. With the image layer selected, I'm going to go to the bottom of the layers panel, click Adjustments, and select Curves. Now I'm going to click and drag this line upward. About this much, to brighten up the eye. If the overall image is getting too bright, don't worry about it, I'll fix that later. Just focus on brighten up the eye color for now. Once I'm happy with it, I'll click Close. Now you can see the curves adjustment layer here. I'm gonna invert it, so I'll make sure it's selected, and I'll press Ctrl I. And now it's back to the previous look. Next, I'm gonna grab the brush tool, make sure the foreground color is white, and brush over the eye to bring back the curves adjustment we made earlier. And now you can see the eye is much brighter. Now the next step is to change the eye color. I'll head over to the shape tool, choose the ellipse tool. Let me zoom in for a better view, and draw a circle to cover the part of the eye I want to recolor. I'll press 50 on my keyboard to change the opacity to 50% so we can see it better. I'll grab the move tool and move it up a little. I'll press 0 to change the opacity back to 100% and zoom out. That looks good. Now I'm gonna give it a color. I'll go to the top, click the color box, choose the gradient tab, and change the type to radial. On this point, I'll change it to green. And on this one, I'll change it to black. Next, I'll go to the Layers panel, set the blend mode to color. Now I need to mask out this part here. So with the circle layer still selected, click the mask layer icon, grab the brush tool, change the foreground color to black. I'll zoom in a little and brush to mask out this part of the circle. Let me zoom out. And there it is. We've successfully changed the eye color. From here, I can easily switch the eye to another color. Let me switch to the Move tool first. Then I'll select the circle layer, go to the context toolbar, click the color box, click this green color point, and choose any color I like. Maybe blue, or purple. So that's how to change eye color in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!